Welcome, my friends, to my dwelling place. Do I have any Lord of the Rings fans out there? Legolas and Arwen really stole my heart. But today we're going to be talking about Aragorn. So I'd just like to read you a short today. I'd like to start off with a quote first and read a couple paragraphs afterwards. All that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. J.R.R. Tolkien, Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. Tolkien may have been able to easily sum up his first description of Aragorn by saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover." But that wouldn't have been very poetic, would it? Like his belief in huge and unexpected good fortune, he coined the term eucatastrophe to describe such sudden turns for the good. Tolkien believed finding virtue in unexpected places, often wrapped in cloth that the modern world would deem ugly. Gnarled tree creatures, road-weary travelers, and grumpy old men in gray rags are just a few of the guises taken by the beloved powers of Middle-earth. There may be to a degree of simple wish fulfillment fantasy hidden in there, the old cliche of an ordinary person with secretly amazing abilities. But it's more than that. It's a lesson in judging people, or rather, not judging them. It also speaks to appreciating simplicity in one's life and not underestimating the inner strength of the downtrodden. Despite Tolkien's starch Catholicism, there is almost a Taoist spirit to the sentiment. Divinity is not labeled as such. You have to look below the surface. And I'm joined by my little tree creature here, and I got another one right up here. This is made by my friend Larissa. Super cute. I love them. And I just like to end this little segment with one of my favorite books, Time for Reflection. A thankful heart is not only the greatest virtue, but the parent of all the virtues. Marcus Tullius Cicero. It was said between 106 and 43 BC. So I guess they knew way back then that gratitude really helps in this life. I wish you love, my friends. Best for your journey. And until we meet again, blessings to you. Take care.